Let's move on to Resources and Energy, which is the award for outstanding international success in the production, processing or value adding of extractive resources or the provision of energy or resources related equipment, services or technology. This award is presented by 2025 National Judging Panel member, Supply Nations Head of International Programs, Chris Reeves. This award category is proudly sponsored by the Australian Trade and Investment Commission. Supply Nation is Australia's leading supplier diversity organisation, and since 2009 it's worked with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander businesses and procurement teams from government and corporate Australia to help shape today's rapidly evolving Indigenous business sector. Supply Nation provide a representative for the National Judging Panel, helping us select winners across the categories. So as Chris heads to the stage, let's meet this year's Resources and Energy finalists.
Matrix Composites and Engineering. Matrix Composites and Engineering designs, engineers and manufactures advanced composite and polymer solutions for the global oil and gas, defence, civil and infrastructure and transportation industries. Mineral Technologies. Mineral Technologies develops, produces and markets a broad range of mineral and mineral-based products, related systems and services. Nautatech. Nautatech develops smart electronic and software solutions to keep miners safe and maximise productivity in soft rock and hard rock mining. SunPower Renewables. SunPower Renewables develops and manufactures portable solar generators with integrated battery storage. Wilco Technologies. Wilco Technologies design and manufacture specialised technology for installing the support frameworks for drilling and blasting, making underground mining safer.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Austrade on this fantastic evening. An absolute joy to be here to celebrate what's good about Australian export. Supply Nation's a national not-for-profit dedicated to the growth and strengthening of the Indigenous business sector. And as such, it's just really amazing to see the presence of so many First Nations businesses here tonight, to have them not just recognised, but celebrated for the excellence and the contribution they make to this country. It's an honour for Supply Nation to present the Resources and Energy Award. The contribution that that sector makes to Australia's economy is well known and profound, but it is also a major procurer of goods and services from Indigenous-owned businesses all around Australia. And the winner of the Resources and Energy Award is Matrix Composites and Engineering.
Well, thank you very much. It's a great honour to be recognised nationally for our exporting efforts. Matrix celebrated its 26th anniversary this year, and 26 years ago I started the business in a shed next to Dad's fab shop in Malaga in the northern suburbs of Perth. And since that time, we've exported probably around about $1.3 to $1.4 billion of products overseas from our operations in Perth. Look, I'm a little bit disappointed that there aren't more team members here with me tonight. Honestly, the reason they didn't come is we're just very, very busy at the moment. Our team is remarkable because well and truly more than 90% of our revenue is generated from markets such as Brazil, Mexico, the United States, various countries in West Africa, the Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, all around the world. And as a result, we have early morning phone calls. I had one at 4 a.m. this morning on the way to the airport from Perth to come here. We have late night phone calls, and the team is really quite remarkable. It's not an easy thing to do to design and manufacture and export technologies from Australia with challenges around supply chain in particular and the tyranny of distance. But I think if you're in a niche market and you aspire to be the best in your niche in the world, Australia can very much punch above its weight. And I think that's what Matrix has been doing since its inception, and I'm very proud of what we've been able to achieve. So thank you again, and thank you to all the sponsors and of course, our host here tonight. Thank you.
Congratulations, Matrix. Now, because you're getting phone calls at all hours, that means you've got a very close relationship with your clients. Is it because you're creating technologies for specific jobs that they can't find anywhere else in the world?
Look, generally we are. Sorry, a bit close to the microphone. Look, we are creating bespoke or at least customised technologies for our clients. Our technologies are used in very harsh environments. So, look, some of the orders that we picked up in the public domain this year are orders that are for equipment that are operating in 2.5 kilometres seawater. So very, very deep water environments. And I'm also very proud to say that a lot of our products use recycled materials. So we literally use ground-up Airbuses and Boeings and tennis rackets and other carbon fibre materials in our products that are then transformed into useful engineered products for industry.
Technology is ever evolving. How do you stay at the top of your game after 26 years? What's your secret?
Oh, you've got to continually invest in R&D, and R&D has to be part of your mantra. You can't stand still. If you stand still, you will basically get run over by a competition, especially when you're dealing with an international market.
Put your hands together for Matrix. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.